Hello everyone. Hi Aries, fire sign. This is the reading for you, December weekly reading, and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest, and energy could be vice versa. Okay, let's see what's going on and your messages, Aries. Okay. Okay. Wow. Your person could be Aquarius. So I think you are very stable, both emotionally and financially. Definitely you are in manifesting energy in recent past. Definitely you are manifesting something new in your life, Aries. And you manifesting everything in your life, relationships, money, career, whatever. Because you stand by your power. That is very attractive, okay? Because Nine of Pentacles with Magician and with the Star. I think you are seeing the life in very positive way. Definitely you are attracting all in your life. I think I am what I'm saying here, that is everything in your life, that is love, relationships, money, everything. And what is going right now, I think right now someone is coming back to offer equal give and take in this connection, and they are feeling overburdened due to, it could be any reason, due to their career, whatever, but they want you back. I am seeing someone is coming back. They are thinking about you a lot. 10 of Cups to 6 of Pentacles and 10 of Wands. Definitely they are thinking about a lot. I think if you are in separation, when they are thinking about you, they are feeling overburdened. Okay, they want you back. Definitely. I think there is no equal give and take in past. Now your person want to offer equal give and take. They want 10 of Cups happiness with you. So 10 of Cups to 6 of Pentacles, definitely they want to work on this relationship and they want to offer equal give and take. Yeah. I think your person right now undergoing something, because 10 of Wands is here. And yeah, 2 of Wands, Page of Cups and King of Cups. They have strong emotions for you. And Page of Cups, some apology. Apology, they want to apologize you, definitely. And King of Cups, they have strong emotions for you. They're coming back. Yeah. For some, it could be in two persons also. One is new person, another is past person coming back with an apology. So take what resonate. Very few there are two persons. One person is coming back with stability and strong emotions. They are coming. One person, new person. For some, it could be your past person coming back with solid offer. They have so much love for you. Yeah, they are coming back with an apology also. A Page of Cups. I think for some, I am seeing two persons. Definitely, I think you are thinking about choosing. I think there are some decisions you have to make. Really, if in your life there are two persons, you are thinking about which decision you have to make. For some, there is only one person, past person, coming back to you with an apology for what they did to you in past. Okay, here lot of earth energy. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you, Aries. Then we'll get more clarity what's going on. First, we will see your person current feelings. See, 2 of Cups. Wow. Soulmates, you both could be. Queen of Wands. 2 times the Magician. Wow. I think your person may be manifesting you back. Definitely they want you back. That's why Page of Cups, they want to say apology to you. 2 of Cups with Queen of Wands, there is a lot of passion and your person is very, very passionate about you. 2 of Cups, they are feeling that you are their soulmate. Definitely they are manifesting you. They are also, you both are in same energy level. That's why you both are attracted towards each other, because you both are in Magician energy. and there is a lot of passion. And one more thing, one person in this connection is younger than the other person, Queen of Wands. Some communication, definitely some communication messages are coming in your way. And the Two of Cups, definitely you both are soulmates. So let's see their near future actions towards you. You both are on the same page. Aries. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Wow, Ace of Pentacles, Princess of Pentacles, Four of Swords. I think you both are, for some, there is no contact between both of you. Your person may be undergoing some healing process, Four of Swords, but they are thinking about you a lot. Definitely, I think it's Two of Wands is also represents your person, and definitely they are thinking about you a lot, even though they are not talking to you, because they are thinking about to offer long-term commitment and to come forward and to offer long-term commitment and to offer equal give and take, because King of Cups, they have strong emotions. Yeah, definitely they want to work on this relationship and they want to offer long-term stability, because Ace of Pentacles is new beginnings. Definitely they want very long-term commitment, okay, many years to come. So definitely they are thinking about you a lot. In near future, definitely they will take action. Right now your person may be undergoing some healing process for some, okay. Definitely for some, your person thinking about you a lot, but they will take action, but in divine timing, because these are action cards I am not seeing here, but they are thinking about commitment, okay. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed, the outcome. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Under the deck, Six of Cups. Definitely reconciliation they are thinking about. You both soulmates. Definitely strong soulmate connection. Very strong bond between both of you. You both wanting same thing but not expressing. You are manifesting each other. Wow, Chariot, Judgment. Wow, some decisions are going to be made. Two cards. Four of Pentacles. Perfect. Yeah. I think one person having hard time to express their feelings in this connection. Definitely one person, even though they have feelings for the other person, they are not expressing. Definitely I think some decisions are going to be made either by you or your person in this connection. I think for some there is commitment is coming in your way. Marriage proposal, the Hierophant with Chariot. I think you both want same thing but not expressing your feelings with each other. Please express your feelings with each other, then you will know what to do in further. Definitely Judgment, some major decisions. Hierophant with Chariot. Your person also want to take this relationship to next level. Aries. Yeah, they're thinking about commitment. Yeah, they're thinking about marriage proposals. Yeah, they want to marry you. But you are holding back. Even though you have feelings for you, because they did something to you in past. That's why they're coming back with an apology. That's why you are holding back. For some definitely there will be reconciliation, because the Hierophant with Chariot and Judgment. Yeah. For some, you want to give second chance to your person. Okay. So take decision depending upon your situation. You or your person could be Cancer, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Okay. So decision making is yours. Is in your hands, Aries. Yeah. They are thinking about reconciliation. In near future, definitely they will make action towards you. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Aries. Ace of Swords, the World, Death, and Eight of Cups. I think you walked away from this connection. And Death, you or your person could be Scorpio. Definitely there is some transformation is going. And the World, this could be long distance relationship between both of you. I think some cycles are going to be end between both of you. Ace of Swords, some communication, honest communication and truth coming out for some brand new beginnings. Let's see your person overall energy for the week. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Scorpio, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. High Priestess, Seven of Cups, Ten of Wands, Two of Wands in reverse. Okay. So yeah, I think they're going to be choose you because the thinking is over. What I'm seeing here, it came up reverse because four of swords is also thinking. Yeah, I think in near future they will make action towards you. 10 of wands, definitely they're feeling overburdened. They're undergoing they're going through something in their life. 7 of cups, definitely they are fantasizing about you a lot. And high priestess, this time they are listening to the higher self. Yeah, they're trusting their intuition. Your person trusting their intuition, Aries. Yeah, I think they are fantasizing about you a lot. Here 7 of cups, not about options. Yeah, they want you back. They're thinking about commitment, definitely. So some decisions, what I'm seeing, some decision making here. So it's up to you. So this is the reading for you, Aries. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.